Number 4, Grant Robertson.
Thank you, Mr Speaker. My question is to the Prime Minister. Does he have confidence in his Minister of Health?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr Speaker, yes.
Grant Robertson.
Why does he have confidence in the Minister when Alma Costal, a 94-year-old Auckland woman with a community services card, was charged $80 to attend an after-hours clinic on Good Friday?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr Speaker, the matters of what's charged at after-hours clinics are in part controlled by DHBs. But I say to the member, that is not a new issue. It's one that the Minister recognises, and he has been funding DHBs considerably more to address that issue.
Supplementary.
Grant Robertson.
Supplementary to the Prime Minister. What does he consider is an acceptable charge for a 94-year-old woman with a community services card to be charged at an after-hours clinic?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
One that's affordable within their budget, clearly.
Grant Robertson.
Supplementary. Is the Prime Minister saying that $80 is affordable for a 94-year-old woman to be charged at an after-hours clinic?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr Speaker, that is probably the case. The answer there is probably no, but it would depend on the circumstances of the person.
Grant Robertson.
Why does he have confidence in a Minister who is reviewing the program that sees health services delivered in decile 1 and 2 schools when it was the subject of a positive review less than 2 years ago?
The Right Honourable
Mr Speaker,
Prime Minister.
I have confidence in that Minister because he's the Minister that is committed to protecting and growing the public health service. He's the Minister that's invested $1.2 billion more in health in time. He's the Minister that's ensured that 20,000 more people each year are receiving elective surgery, or 400 more per week. Mr Speaker, he's the Minister that's ensured that cancer patients in New Zealand are now receiving treatment in 4 weeks. He, Mr Speaker, is the Minister that's made sure that there are 1,000 extra nurses and 500 more doctors. He is the Minister, Mr Speaker, that's made sure that children now are being immunised at greater rates. Mr Speaker, he is the Minister that's done tremendous work when it comes...
Supplementary question.
Sorry, I cannot hear. Is it a supplementary question?
Supplementary question.
Grant Robertson. Order. Order.
Why?
I want to be able to hear the supplementary question. Grant Robertson.
Is, referring to the Prime Minister's earlier supplementary answers, is the Minister saying that it was affordable for Alma Costal, a 94-year-old Auckland woman, to pay $80 to attend an after-hours clinic on Good Friday?
The Right Honourable Prime Minister.
Mr Speaker, I can't comment because I simply don't know her circumstances.
Question number 5, John Hayes.